Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome along to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Now today I'm going to simply share how you can better manage your teams and individuals inside this Google Sheets CRM template. And there are two common ways that you can manage your teams inside Sheetify. Okay, so to add a team member to this Google Sheets CRM template, simply navigate up to Share, click here, then navigate down here, and under People with Access, you'll be able to see yourself as the owner of this template. And under General Access, you want to make sure that you have Restricted selected. Okay, so I want to add my first team member to my Sheetify CRM. This is someone that's going to help us manage our contacts, manage our database, and our sales pipeline. To do that, I first want to navigate up to this Settings icon, and then come down and unselect this option here. Editors cannot change permissions and share. For me, as the owner and manager of this CRM, I only want to have this permission level. Okay, so let's navigate back and then type in the name or email of the team member that you want to add. And as you can see, this is the team member that I want to add to my Sheetify CRM. Then navigate over here, and you essentially have two choices. You can choose to allow them to be a viewer only or a full editor, meaning they can manage your sales pipeline, they can add and manage contacts, as well as add and manage tasks and other custom edits to your CRM. For me, I'm happy with this permission level. And again, if you just want your team members to be able to view the CRM but not make edits, then simply go ahead and click on Viewer. Navigate down and add a message for this user if you like, and it's recommended to keep Notify People selected. That way, when you invite this user, they'll get notified that they can now access this CRM. Again, you can add other emails or names in here to add additional people to your CRM. I'm going to click Send, and as you can see, access updated. Now, if we navigate back up to Share, you'll see that two people have access to this CRM. Myself as the owner, and then Emma, my sales manager, who is an editor. You can change the permission here if you like, and you can also remove the access of this individual. So as I mentioned, the first way to add and manage team permissions inside your Google Sheets CRM template is to simply add your team members up here. Then once you've added your team members down here, come down, click on Done, and then navigate across to Settings. And under Settings, all you need to do is now add your team members under here. At the moment, you can see that my team includes Francis, Carl, Katie, and myself, Stuart. So go ahead and take your time to add your team members in here, the ones that you shared this Google Sheets CRM template with. And your team members here will populate across your Google Sheets CRM. For example, let's navigate over to Contacts and Leads, and then navigate across. And for example, this record here, this new lead could be assigned to anyone that you added under Team within Settings. And you'll also see Assigned To as a column inside other sheets inside your Sheetify CRM. For example, under Client Tasks, you can see we have Assigned To, and then down here you can see this dropdown. Okay, so that is the first method, by adding your team members to one Sheetify CRM template. Now the second method is if you have multiple departments, store locations, teams, or even groups related to your business. You might not want to manage all these different parties. It might not be convenient, and it could be quite messy managing everyone inside one Google Sheets CRM template. In that case, what you can do is set up multiple Google Sheets CRM templates. For example, you could have 3 store locations, each with their own Sheetify CRM template, and each of these stores could have their own individual teams. Let's say each of these stores have 5 team members. So all you would do with each of these templates is navigate up to Share, and then with each of your Sheetify CRM templates is add your 5 team members. Then you might have one or multiple managers that have access to each of these templates. So for example, with each of the different stores, each of the 3 Sheetify CRM templates, I would add the groups, the departments, or the teams, and then add one or multiple managers that have access to each of these templates. So with our Sheetify CRM single-use commercial license, you have the option to either create one Sheetify CRM template that you can manage your organization with, or you can create and set up multiple Sheetify CRM templates across your different organizations, teams, departments, or groups. And this might make more sense when managing your different groups within your organization. However, that is it for this Google Sheets CRM tutorial, showing you how you can better manage your teams inside our Sheetify CRM.